Hello and welcome to the Webmo video tutorial. I'm going to show you just a few basic things to get you started. Here is the Webmo Job Manager. It'll show you all the jobs that you've completed so far. It'll let you know the formula of the molecule that you built, the type of job that you ran, when you ran it, how long it took, and if it succeeded. And usually if it fails, it'll tell you the reason why. So let's get started. New job, create new job, and it'll bring us to our workspace where we can build our molecule. There are a bunch of tools here, but all you need to worry about for right now is all the drop down menus up here. So we're going to build something, right? So there are a few preset atoms here, but if you want to choose something else, you go to Other, and you can choose whatever atoms you want. We'll left click on the atom we want. Nitrogen, for example, left click on the workspace, and there's a nitrogen atom. But if we want a pretty common molecule, we'll go to Fragment, and it'll show you different categories here, like small molecules like water or methane, or maybe like a ring, and there'll be benzene here. All you do is, let's say we do cyclobutane, click OK, left click, and there you are. And so to move around, you go to the rotate button, left click, drag around, and you can rotate your molecule, take a look at it. There's also the translate button, which will just move it side to side, and the zoom button, which will allow you to zoom in and out. Let's see. Other than that, if, for example, we build something that doesn't look too good, let me just delete this ring here. In order to delete, we go to Adjust, highlight it, delete it, highlight that, delete that. So we're just gonna go back to Builds, Nitrogen, put nitrogen there, and then put hydrogens around it. In order to connect the bonds, you go to the build button here and just left click and drag in between atoms, and it'll draw bonds for you. But this doesn't exactly look like ammonia, so we go to cleanup, geometry, and there it is. And you can look around it again, click rotate and rotate around, and it has the right shape, so they're bent down because there's an orbital here. So it looks about right. So now we're ready to go into the job. So we go on the right arrow, click on that, and the Firefly platform is the one that you want to use, so go to that. And this will give you a few options on what kind of job you want to run. The only three that you need to worry about are the molecular energy, geometry optimization, and the vibrational frequency. So this one will give you just the energy of the molecule. The geometry optimization will take your molecule and optimize its shape and the organization of the atoms, and the vibrational frequencies will just show you your molecule and will let you know how quickly each pair of atoms vibrates. And you only use that for an IR analysis anyway, so the only two we're really concerned with are the top two here. So let's say we wanted molecular energy, then you continue on, and this will bring you right back to the job manager. As see, our status is queued. Wait a little bit and maybe reload the page, and this should be done. Alright, so it says complete. It didn't take that long. In order to view the results, go to view job. It's a little magnifier. It'll show you the molecule that we just drew, and all the data for any calculation is right below it. Calculated quantities. It'll show you the energy, the dipole moment, and the partial charges on each one of these. And if you want to view any one of these properties, you go to the view button. It's a magnifier. So let's say we want to view the charge. It gives you the red is negative, blue is positive, and dipole moment. It'll show us a dipole moment. Right, so this is the most positive, this is the most negative. And that's pretty much all you need to know. Please let us know if you have any questions, but it's pretty intuitive, so it's pretty easy. Thank you for viewing our tutorial video.